after po sa ating wow. Ating alam news, nakakalinis. Kaya, guys, no? Ulan na, parang brand new. Ang linis. Yan tayo mag-alaga ng sakyan para at pag gusto mo. So you can see guys, very clean everywhere. Ang alloy wheels natin in good condition. Ang harapan natin. Ang parking natin. Yan. Okay, so diba? Wala kang nakikita ng damage dyan. Even the body paint, you can see wrong. Nothing wrong with it. Passenger side. Grabe, diba? Wow, so clean. Look after very well. Bonnet side, everything is so good condition guys. Kaya yan, magalaga tayo na sakyan na ganda pa. Wow, I am the wow. Kahit saan ang gulatunan, baka makikita problema, all good condition. Yeah. Good, walang problema, so ready to go. Yes. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Good morning mga idol. Yan, mga idol.